the old man say, just one more haul and then when Johnny comes down the high-low, poor old man.
Hi guys, welcome back and thanks again for joining me in my ride today. I really do appreciate your company. Well, today I'm doing about a 40-mile loop and I'm going to the seaside. I wasn't originally, I must admit. I had to change my route at the last minute because of a late start, let's say. Yeah, so I cut my route down and changed all my plans. But hey ho, I'm still out riding. That's the main thing. Well, today I thought I'll go to the seaside, so I'm going to Budleigh Salterton and Exmouth today. Yeah, so apparently guys, the road I'm on is closed. I have no idea where that point is, so we'll keep going until we find it, see if we can get through. But until then, let's carry on and see if we see anything else interesting along the way. Yeah, the last time I was out for a ride was probably about 2 weeks ago. When I was doing the Dartmoor Classic. Here we are, we've got the road closed now. That's all it was, a little hole in the road. Cars could easily get through that area that they've put aside for pedestrians. Yeah, where was I? Yeah, it's been a couple of days short of 2 weeks since I've been out for a ride. The reason I haven't been out for a ride since the Dartmoor Classic was because of my my cat Lily. And my cat Lily is half Bengal and she does rule the roost. Bless her. She was due her annual vaccination at the vets and she really didn't want to go that day. She really didn't want to go. I chased her down, cornered her, caught her, put her in a crate, took her to the vets. She was growling all the way there. Anyway, because we were a little bit late, because I couldn't catch her, I did let the vets know that I was going to be 5 minutes late, and they was okay with that. But I think because I was 5 minutes late, but they just kept us hanging around for 35-40 minutes. It was a hot day. Lily really didn't want to be sat in a crate for all that time in the waiting room, and she was proper grumpy. When Lily did eventually get in to see the vet, yeah, when I did lift her out of the crate and put her onto the examination table, she just bit down on my finger right to the bone. I had 4 puncture wounds in my finger. Blood was pouring everywhere. Anyway, you had to get the nurse in the end because I couldn't stop the bleeding. The nurse put some big thick gloves on and held Lily while she gave her her injections, etc. After the vet and nurse finished with Lily, they put her back in the crate and then both dealt with me. I was advised to go to the doctors, which I did. Which I did the next day actually. Yeah, so the next day went to the doctors. By the time I got to the doctors, I couldn't bend my finger at all. It had properly swollen up, more than doubled the size, and the pain was horrendous. They gave me my tetanus because apparently my tetanus wasn't up to date, so I had that. my doctor rung the hospital, explained to them, took photographs of my finger, and they said come up immediately. They booked the space for me. So up to the hospital I went from there. Yeah, so I went up to the hospital, they took my bloods, etc., and, you know, done all the usual checks, what they do. Then they put a drip into me and got antibiotics right into the system to help try and kill any infection, and sent me home with 2 types of antibiotic tablets. But the doctor was explaining to me how serious cat bites are. I never realised that. Not just bites, actually, cat scratches as well. And I'm always play fighting with my cats and have loads of scratches. But yeah, I never knew how dangerous it actually is. Yeah, so if you got a cat and you get bitten, go and see a doctor, because it would have ended really bad for me if I had delayed it any longer. Possibly lost my finger, blood poisoning. And my doctor was telling me how dangerous it was. That's why she was really concerned for me, bless her. And she was right. She got scratched by her cat and put her in hospital for 2 weeks with blood poisoning. 2 weeks in hospital from a cat scratch. My my vet and the veterinarian nurse both said that they'd rather take a bite from a dog than a cat. That tells you everything right there, doesn't it? I never knew how dangerous it is. But there you go. Yeah, but bless my little Lily, as soon as I got her home, she was all sorry, as she always is. And life has carried on as normal for her. But I was nearly 2 weeks off the bike. Yeah, the last time I come this way, I don't know if you guys remember, I've come across the travellers, and they fell in love with a little black Labrador. Absolutely beautiful little thing. I felt so sorry for it. Oh, they still got some here. Who knew that? So I'm out on the main road again. That's the lay-by, so I see some of the travellers back in there. This one does wood carvings, look, as you can see. Bless them. Yes, there's the wood carvings there. I'm taking a left here at this junction. Nice and clear for me. Whew. I could go that way, just go straight to Xmouth, but I'm going to drop down into Budley first. I got to take a right up here. Which is just here. Oh, that sea looked very inviting.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm on my way to Exmouth now. That was really nice down in Budley, wasn't it? Especially singing the old shanty singers. That was really nice. I've seen them for a long time. Right guys, that's it from me for today's ride. I hope you enjoyed that one. But if you did, could you please give us a like, because it really does help the channel grow. And come and subscribe if you haven't already. Anyway, until next time guys, keep smiling and riding, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye.